You might have the same problem I have, which is that you plan to eat a normal portion at dinner, but suddenly the plate in front of you is empty and you've already had seconds. But that's not a discipline problem. That's biology and habit working against you. Portion control is one of the habits that new members most want to change. But there's two forces that make overeating hard to stop: biology and the habit loop. When it comes to biology, there's a 20-minute lag between your stomach feeling full and your brain registering it. And in that 20 minutes, you keep on eating. But GLP-1s can quiet the cravings before the first bite, creating a window where new habits become more flexible. You don't have to beat the habit loop with willpower. Instead, you can redesign the setup. Here's the first fix that you can try: shrink what's in front of you. Smaller portions help the loop end sooner. And the second fix is take a halfway pause. Put down your fork between bites for a couple of seconds and ask yourself, am I actually still hungry? That pause is what gives your stomach time to catch up with your brain. Repetition rewires the loop until the new behavior becomes automatic. Noom helps people redesign habits in small, practical ways. So try the halfway pause tonight and share one eating habit you're trying to change.